Have you ever wondered in life the passion for something which brings so much motivation, energy to push yourself and accomplish it? It also defines and shape up the way you see your life. Most of us do possess some passions in life, don't we? And I too have one. The passion for something which came to me accidentally. Not that I had this passion from childhood, but it's just that it happened. And more I do, more it's getting all over me. And that is the love for riding motorcycles. Every time I venture out on my motorcycle and head to a new destination, it adds a new story in my life. A story which can inspire many. A story which changes your perception of looking at things. A story which motivates you to come back again. A story which expands your horizon. A gentle breeze which kisses your cheeks. A winding roads which bring smiles. A never-ending roads which tests your endurance. And destination which is waiting at the end of page. Are many such stories unwinds on my motorcycle adventures. We are the ones who loves roads, mountains, greenery, rain, wind, slush, mud, snow, twisties, fog, sunrises, sunsets, lovely mornings, birds chirping, and we never get bored of watching them even after infinite times. Twisting the throttle, shifting gears, bending down to negate wind, cruising at triple-digit speeds just are a few kick-ass things which only a biker has a luxury to relish. I wish every breath I take is towards grabbing my gear and getting onto my motorcycle and head out for long adventure. Go to new places, meet my old friends, and make way for new ones. I want to discover new things in my life. I want to fight fear within myself, to become stronger, to face bigger challenges. So after all I want, and I would like to plan and go to destinations and roads which I crave for. I will forget about time, my work, days, and immerse myself in the adventure. Taste the culture where I am and broaden my horizon. I invite my friends to be part of this adventure, to have joy and memories along the road we ride. And I will not stop until I have not seen all the roads that take me somewhere. Yes, the task is massive, but I have the will to make it happen, and I will accomplish my wish before my last breath. For me, motorcycles, if not everything, but definitely an indispensable part of my life. I love, live, feel, relish the life of motorcycle adventurer.